Hey guys, it's me, LPS Sally, and we're back with another video. So I know I haven't been posting a lot, but yeah, I just didn't feel like posting in a while. But today we are gonna be going on a bird adventure. Yay! We're gonna be seeing birds. So much fun. Whoopee! So let's get to it. Okay, so we are here. The birds are scared. Look at them right there. Right there. There's other birds. I think they might be scared of us. So, they're scared. Oh no! No! We gotta follow them on their adventure. Just like our adventure. Oh, one of them flew away. Oh no. Hello, birdie. You look cute. You're a... Oh, you don't like me either. Okay. Whatever. Can you hold my head? No. Come on, yellow bird. Come on, I know you can do this. No. Okay, well, bye then. See you later. Alright, yeah, we're gonna follow them. So, we found the green one. She's on this disgusting poopy unicorn thing. Never mind. Oh, it's gonna be really hard. Yeah, it's gonna be really hard to get these birds. So we're gonna look at birds in a cage instead. Alright, now we're gonna get to that. We're here now. This is the cage. Oh, it's so big. Look at those birds. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I wish I could pet them. But they'd probably be a little scared. Oh my gosh. That white one is so pretty. She almost looks like me, but is prettier than me. I want that one. That one right there. She's the prettiest, well, one of the prettiest birds I have ever seen in my life. This was a great adventure. Yay! Now I'm gonna do the intro. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Bye! Oh my gosh, my head's backwards. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Bye! That was a blooper. Gonna put that